Hello my planner pals and welcome back, and if you're new here then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Comedy Design, and today I want to share with you 10 ways that you can fill the sidebar in your planner pages. Okay, so caveat, this is not an exhaustive list, this is just 10 things off the top of my head. That's what this is. And the first one is a grocery list. As you can see here, I've just put in a little header sticker, groceries, and then I'm just going to list down all the things that we need to buy this week on the sidebar. I don't do this. I do this on a little insert paper and I just use it on a little bit of note paper, but this would be especially good if you're heading up like the week before the holidays. The second thing that you can do in your sidebar is you could just letter a big word. Now, it could just be the theme of the week, it could be that it's a birthday, it could be an anniversary, just some kind of letter, and it could also be a quote, something big in the sidebar. I've done one like this for Connect. I will link that in the cards, wherever they may be. But yeah, I've done that before for Connect and just put whoever, great in the monthly, for whoever I'm going to connect with that day. But it could be that you have a live event, concert, or something like that. You could use your sidebar as the theme for that event, task, whatever it is. That could be that. On a similar vein, the third thing that you can do is you can put your word of the year in your sidebar each week. Now, this is great if you're trying to keep your word of the year kind of present and top of mind, especially in your planners. My word for the year for, I think it was 2018, was explore. And you could then just put your word in, you could decorate around it, and then you could just put little things in how either your word showed up or what you did to kind of connect with your word. The fourth thing is, of course, the obvious one, and that is to just do a to-do list. And if I'm doing that, I usually like a this week or to-do or chores or errands or something, and then what I tend to do is skip every other little line so that one, I fill out the space, and then if I need to, I can come in the middle and write things between those items, but it gives me an overspill if something takes more than one line. That's how I do it. But yes, a general to-do list for the week that doesn't have to be done on a specific day. Now, the other thing that you can do in the sidebar, and I think this is number 5, is that you can just fill it with stickers. Like if you have excess stickers and you have nothing going on that week, especially if it's like a holiday week or something like that, you have nothing going on and you just want to fill the space, just fill it with stickers. It's a great way to use all of the vertical box stickers, the decorative box stickers. You can use quotes. You can just fill the space with stickers. No one says it has to be functional. I know they're like, oh, this week to do, blah, 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 blah. Doesn't have to be. If you've got nothing going on, just put decorative stickers in there. Now, I don't have an example of the 6th one, but if this doesn't work for you or you want something else other than this, you can put memory keeping in here or photos into your sidebar. So maybe if you have, I don't know, some work being done on your house, or your kids are going back to school, or your grandkids are going back to school, or there's a birthday, you could just put a little photo in the sidebar and then make it a part of memory keeping as well. I think this is number 7, but I'm going to say make your sidebar part of your or your family members' schedules. So I've just put work in here. Maybe you have another one that is school, and this is the school schedule. Maybe your workout classes or times or whatever it is another one, and you have your schedules all in the sidebar. So yes, use it for scheduling times and things. Especially good if, again, you and your husband, your partner work, you've got somewhere where you have all of your schedules. Alrighty, number 8, and that is that you can use your sidebar for trackers. Now, there are many ways that you can do trackers. I've just put one in here, and you could literally just put in workout or like 10K steps or something, and then you just come in and you cross it off every day that you've done it. Or you can do it like this. You could just use a little bullet for whatever it is. I've got a little heart here for cardio. I've got a time, little clock thing for meditation. I've got a star for water, a book for reading, and then a little dollar sign for like sales or for saving or something like that. And then all I did was put the initial of the days of the week, and all I have to do is come in and either just put a little circle or cross them out or whatever it is. Whatever it is, you can just cross them out and do that. There are many, many ways to do trackers in the sidebar. Those are just two. Number 9 on this list, and that is you can use the sidebar for a meal planner. This is great if you don't have enough space in the rest of your planner spread. You've got loads of stuff going on that week, whatever it is, then you can put your meal plans in here. It's also a good way, if you have a health planner, to put your plans in here and then what you actually ate in your planner on that day, because sometimes those don't always match up. That's what I will say. We're at number 10, and this is the one that I tend to put in if I have nothing else going on, and that is a gratitude list. You know that I'm big on gratitude, so if you have nothing, none of the other things are sparking your fancy, you have nothing to track, you've got no meals to prep, lucky you, and you've got no work, no schedules, no nothing, then just put in a list and just put gratitude in there, and then just fill it in with things that you're grateful for during the week. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!